know why I feel so much rage towards non-living things. Take two.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, out of blue, I thought to do a shoot. I'm thinking to record it, the whole process, because most of the time people think,
Oh, you did the shoot with your phone and how you did it, and you say you just did it.
it's like a lot of not so professional ways. Also, people ask me about the lighting and stuff. I've already put everything on charge, so let's start getting ready for the shoot. Makeup base is done actually. I didn't do much with my base. It's like pretty natural because I don't like too much. It makes me feel that I'm not real. Not real.
Not real, not real.
I don't know, it's my perspective only. Yeah, you can see a bit flaws, but I think without it, it doesn't feel like it's me. Just my perspective. So this is done. Now I'll do a bit of, shimmery eyeshadow. I love shimmers on my eyes. And I'll do some glossy lips, of course. And I have accessories. And I really want to use this flower on my hair. How pretty is that? Curly right now. That they're making curls and it's all natural, okay? My hair is so wavy, so it can do anything. I have this. It's very pretty. It's the best investment. It goes with everything. It's just so pretty. Let's go wear my outfit. For outfit, I have this bodycon dress. I got it for one of my trips, DJ night. And DJ nights are like, I don't dance in it, but I did dance on that DJ night. I don't know why. And it's in like Udaipur field trip while I vlog. So you can see that. With that, as it's cold, so I'm thinking with this. And I thrifted it. Yeah, let's go and style it.
I don't know, I look like square potato in my camera.
I am so happy that I'm looking so pretty. Okay, so I see you after shoot and you'll see the process, of course, in time lapse or something. Looking like this. Yeah, I'm wearing smart. So I look pretty good in this light. Like, it's dark. I need more light because there's a lot of shadow on my face, so it shouldn't be there. It's like proper backlighting, but we need some source of light in front of us. Something romantic vibe. So I'm having a little bit cold too. My moon is red. It's straight out of the movie called Bulbul. Can you see it? This is the best gift I got from my friends on this birthday and I just love them. I love you so much, guys. And I think the light is good enough. Like, there's no shadow. Like, angle should be right. This is like one of the preferred portrait angle of light, where one side is dark and one side is light. This is usually used to, put more focus on the features like nose, lips, eyes. So one side is dark and one side is light. So more focus on these features and stuff. And these type of portraits are taken when there is sunlight. So, magic. I want to show you magic. Beat its head, okay? It's so good. Like, wow. This is the position of light when you make something dramatic and scary. It's so difficult to explain your steps when you're doing, but I don't want green, so it's blue. Oh, I'm back with my backup, which is my laptop. Yes, you can use laptop as your RGB light, okay? So you can obviously go to YouTube for that. So I want pink background, so I can just simply type pink background video. So I got the video. You put it on full screen, like full screen, and then I'm getting the color, but you have to put everything on full brightness. Pink light. See, it works. It reduces the brightness. Actually, the exposure. So, see, this is what I'm talking about. This is the thing I'm talking about, and this is how I make things work. So go with the shoot. I got the light, I got everything, and we'll see how things goes out. This is a setup. Pink light from this angle, like a bit diagonal, not from the front, a bit from the side, and green light from this side but downwards. It's not at my face level, but it's on the base level, on the surface. Okay, I have applied a bit of Vaseline on my camera to give it a dreamy look. Like, I got some shots and it's looking very dreamy and very good, and I don't know, from out of nowhere I initially thought of pink light, but then I thought, why not going with two colors? So I thought, okay, pink and green. It's giving so much of retro vibe to my shoot, and then as a prop and as a backdrop to make it more interesting, I used two of my paintings. This is one of the painting. It's a dragon painting that I recently created. Now you can see the dreamy look, right? Yeah, this is a dragon painting. I love this much. And this is another painting. It's not on canvas, but it's on a thermocol. But it's like, it won't be alive soon. Okay. While shoot, I'm trying to put this flower, and the thing is, this flower is not staying. And abhi tak it was staying, and now it's not staying.
I hardly got 2 shots and then it again.
One thing is that you would see that I'm doing this thing again and again while I'm shooting. This is why, because I have this gesture capture thing on my camera setting, so that when I show a particular gesture, it captures it automatically and I don't have to do this continuously because that's hard work. Okay, even with the timer. So you can, if you don't have that wireless clicker for your phone or camera, you can use that setting and go for the gesture command and just use gesture to capture it. Hey guys, I'm done with the shoot, and the shots were like very cute and dreamy, and my vision is served, so I'm very happy. This is the wrap up of this how I shoot video, and I'll see you with something more exciting like this. I'll see you later. For today, it's a bye bye from my side. See you next time.